Hey guys, it's Tom from Skyline Firestopping here. So we are on an existing project, and this project actually failed an FRA recently because we're in the underground car park. The SVPs here, which I'll drop some B-roll in, have failed because they're not fire stopped adequately. So we have this problem, and we've seen this problem often on projects where other trades, whether it's plumbers or electricians, are tasked with fire stopping their own penetrations, and they don't do it adequately. So what you'll see here is like there's actually collars on the SVPs, but they're not the right system for the right problem, and they're also not fixed correctly. And this flags up on the FRA, and now all of these are failed, and we're going to have to come and re-fire stop all of this. It's really important to fire stop this correctly because obviously a car park is a high risk area. If a car goes up in flames, that's heat, smoke, carbon monoxide, which is going to travel up through the hole into the apartments above. All above here is apartments, right? And it's just not safe. It's not safe for the people who live here, and it's not safe for the building managers and all the people that worked on this project. So it needs to get put right. You know, we see this sort of stuff all the time, right? Every day. The importance of correct fire stopping can't be overstated. Let's get it done right, guys.